Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to watch in another plan with me. My name is Shay, and today's plan with me will be done in my Skinny Classic. And I'm excited because I will be using one of the new books from the Pressed Florals Happy Planner box that was just released last week. And I was just so excited. I was super excited. You guys, this book is beautiful. It is so pretty. So as you can see, I've already been flipping through, and I've kind of highlighted some pages that I want to use from the sticker book. And I also think I may be pulling from the Detailed Florals book, which was in a previous box, I think last year, that the Happy Planner put out. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip to the pages that I'll be using. This plan with me is for the week of February the 15th through the 21st. We are almost on our way out of February and into March, and March is my birthday month, so you already know it's gonna be some craziness going on in my planner as far as these spreads. And you also have Mardi Gras, and the first day of spring, I think, is in March. So it's gonna be a crazy ride in these planners in March. So let me stop talking. Let me go ahead and kind of figure out what I'm going to do. I was super excited, didn't pre-plan anything. I just flipped through and I was like, oh my goodness, this matches my page. I don't really have to, do a lot as far as like taking away some of the decor that's already in the Skinny Classic. So, yeah, I'm going to be quiet and start putting the stickers to the paper, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is it. This is the finished spread. You know, I did not, as much as I enjoyed working with the florals, I didn't want to really overpower the spread because this is a smaller layout, but these florals, guys, are the bomb. I mean, they are really, really, really beautiful. And, you know, because you get so excited, you can really just overdo it. I wanted to keep it as functional as possible. And when I first started, you see down here, there was one of the wrong girls. So what I did was I took, when I'm printing the free printable stickers, I sometimes have scraps. And all I did was just take some of the scrap sticker paper, and it helps to cover up larger items within your spread instead of always using your, your whiteout. So that's what I did there in the corner. I also used some of the washi from the Beauty in Florals book. And then I think I pulled like some of these boxes from the Detailed Florals. So, you know, I think it's pretty. I think it's functional, pretty, and I really like it, guys. I think it's just like calm. So this is it. This is finished. I'm done. Tell me what you think below. Did you get your hands on a box? If so, I can't wait to see your amazing spreads on Instagram, because I know some people are really going to do it up with this floral box, and I just can't wait to see what everybody is going to bring to their planners and how they're going to use it. So thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also, you have to remember to hit the notification bell. If you don't hit the notification bell, you'll never know when I post new videos to the channel. So if you could do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it. For those of you that have stuck around with me from the beginning, I love you. Thank you for your support. You know who you are. And that's it for me, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.